Let me see how little ass gun you got.
You should kill the bitch.
Hey, I ain't
Let me see that bitch.
Let's see.
What's that? What kind of gun is that?
a Cougar.
Kill the bitch.
I've been fucking with new niggas, new bitches now, they plotting on me. And I play like I don't know, but really I know most these niggas ain't rocking with. Bitch, I'm still getting old money spent on my show money, was nothing to me.
Hey man, back with another motherfucking video, you feel me? It was a good ass day, like 70 something fall, you feel me, November, you know what I'm saying? Probably get a bustin' with the video, the shooting. See all that motherfucker open land, you know what I'm saying? We got rifles, Glocks, shotguns, pistols, you feel me? All that shit. Y'all stay tuned for the motherfucking video. Let me see how little ass gun you got.
You should kill the bitch.
Hey, I ain't
Let me see that bitch.
Let's see.
What's that? What kind of gun is that?
a Cougar.
Kill the bitch.
This nigga got a Cougar.
Hey,
Shooter, but that's still killing, nigga.
Hey, RIP to King Von.
Niggas gonna cover all lines.
Niggas really gonna come for your ass.
Man, my nigga got all that shit. God damn. It's probably zero.
Bitch, you ain't seen the location.
I know what I did.
I'm finna pull up with my choppers, folks.
Really just feel like go shoot for
Send the
real.
location.
I did, nigga. Look at your text. Ugly ass look. Noodle head, little boy. Fuck you talking about.
You didn't almost try to shoot.
Almost killed me. All good shit. Got Glocks. Nah, that was just it was just zero.
Oh, zero coming out here?
Yeah. I ain't want to bring everybody, you feel me? Glocks, that's new.
Zero, the light skin?
Yeah. About to get a bus and y'all stay tuned.
For names.
Hey, we're gonna do a bet. Look, we're gonna do $1,000 bet. Whoever got the most accuracy out of 2 shots.
Alright.
Out of 2 shots, 1,000.
Man, 1,000.
Ain't no motherfucking snakes in on this bitch. $1,000. Whoever get the closest to the middle, win 1,000. We all put 1,000 on. So y'all stay tuned for this shit, man. My boy Zero coming out too with the Draco and shit. So we about to get a bustin' for real, you feel me? Yeah, put them on.
Yeah, put them bitches on.
Niggas about to blow his ears out.
Hopefully that shit don't sync up, bro. I'll play some music while you shooting.
Damn, nigga gotta be safe out here.
Look, boy. I'm gonna.
Damn, photo.
He pulled the trigger and there you go.
Your shit on safety or something?
Back the slide. Don't put that bitch up in me.
Nigga, what the fuck? This nigga, I don't like. Hey, nigga, pull that shit out. You tweaking.
My shit on.
Hey, no, keep your air.
Wait.
I think my shit on safety.
Watch out, move.
You got a safety on that gun?
Here, watch out.
Clock that bitch back.
You stupid.
It wasn't loaded.
It wasn't loaded.
Oh, that's fucking wild.
Look, this nigga don't need a gun, bro.
Put that bitch in the...
This nigga is not safe. Fuck you talking about?
All right, play the music again.
Play the bruiser. Put that key phone, LBG.
It's playing, ain't it?
No, it's not.
You gotta be close to him.
Okay, go ahead.
Did you hit the paper? Nigga, did
Out
you
this bitch, boy. What the fuck are you talking about?
nigga, did this nigga hit the paper? This nigga ain't hit the paper. You can't be on my team. This nigga ain't hit the paper at all. This nigga ain't hit the paper at all.
I'm putting it on the ground.
You got hollows there? No, you ain't got no hollows. Nigga, how you hit the paper?
Yeah, how you not hit the paper, nigga?
Yeah, you losing that $1,000 bet, my boy. You already know. This is a practice round.
Oh, gang. Practice round. All right, bet. Thank God this ain't the series round.
No, glasses on, so I don't hit my shit in the eyes.
You better hit this shit, boy. $1,000 on the line, my boy. Let's see if you hear that. In that
Hey, how many rounds that motherfucker have?
you hit that bitch one.
Yeah, one time. That's crazy.
You hit that bitch once.
How many yards is this?
I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. It might be more than
25?
That's what I was thinking.
It's 25 to 100.
You suck, JP.
Yeah.
Good job.
Let's get it.
I think it's more than 25. I don't think so though.
Pop. Like,
All right,
that's for a sit for a pistol. They just
Move up there.
I hit that bitch?
No.
Oh, this bitch. Get down. It's down low. I'm playing Call of Duty right now.
Man, bro. Nigga could've.
I hate this nigga. This nigga really did a whole.
Nigga, don't.
Fuck that.
You gonna check the slide like this? I was like, nigga. Nigga, you went like this. You check the slide like, I'm right here. I was like, hold on, fool.
Come on, let's see.
That's what I was saying. I was like, low key, that might be more than 25.
He ain't hit shit.
Bad ass too.
That's all over the head, though. I got the closest.
I want to recount.
Hey, pass that 1,000 real quick.
Nah, that was practice round.
Oh, practice round?
We gotta scoot closer.
Yeah.
we can-
I probably was always shooter up type shit. Cause the thing is like low.
And then nobody ain't gonna miss.
Nobody gonna hit the middle, though.
I was aiming perfectly at that bitch. I don't know how to fucking hit that bitch.
I'll take a bet on that.
Nigga, $100, you won't hit the middle from right here.
100?
For all my bullets?
From right here?
Nigga, that's.
Hit the middle.
Y'all better back up.
Nigga, you about to play football or something?
We all stepping back.
Off the slide, trying to walk back.
Bitch, are you gonna shoot? Nigga, what the fuck? Hit the left.
Nigga, stop moving.
Yeah, the same spot like the last one. That was up top, in the middle of top. Take forever. Nigga would have been killed this nigga.
That's what I be telling y'all.
This nigga would have died already.
Hard on money, too.
Y'all checking it?
Yeah,
You know he would have gave you that 100 too.
I'm just trying to prove to how hard it is to shoot.
You got the white?
Shit.
I told
Y'all
you.
ain't shaking on
The
this.
closest one I got was that fucking side one.
I told you, it's really hard to hit the middle with that shit.
I was getting real close to the side, but damn. Aim higher. Yeah.
There you go.
I got one of them shits right above it.
You got the biggest fucking bug on your back.
I definitely got a video. It's gone now. But he told me to take a video of it too.
This is a new Glock. I'm selling it over. This is a new one.
Well, you got the closest.
I did? Which one I hit? I can't.
It's that top one right on the red in the middle.
All stuff in the middle?
Mm-hmm.
I beat y'all niggas.
Oh, damn, JP.
You whole ass nigga.
I thought y'all had the earbuds on.
No,
We was talking. We taking break time.
You gonna pop off.
Nah, we just talking about it. You about to lay down like you in Call of Duty?
What, nigga? Is the clip not working?
This shit is jammed in there.
Damn.
You better get that out.
Nigga, what? There we go.
You might gotta piss, clean your shit or something.
Probably.
Nigga, this big motherfucker right here. You lay down like you in Call of Duty? Why?
You can hold this for me.
We got this big motherfucker right here. Hold up, nigga.
Damn, boy.
Damn,
I
folks.
told y'all niggas that shit loud.
Nigga blew me away.
He said, boom.
I should blow your way right now. The South Side. The most ghettoest part of Chicago. The South Side. Nigga, you niggas, y'all niggas eat y'all food off the ground.
Bro, what you talking about?
Nigga, the South Side of Chicago.
We got silver spoons and silver plates.
Hell no.
We bought that shit ourselves.
Your motherfucking silverware made of roaches. Fuck you mean?
You from the west side?
Hell yeah, the best side. The west side, the best side. The west side, the best side. Fuck you mean? Nigga, the South Side, nigga.
Right,
like I said, made they silverware made from roaches. Fuck you talking about? Huh? This nigga think he know everything about guns. I told this nigga how to shoot guns, nigga.
Bro, if you would have pulled it the first time, wouldn't it?
I bet you.
Now you good to go.
Okay. Please don't let this bitch go.
Damn, can I get a headphone or something?
Hold the handle tight. Hold the handle tight,
Not
bro.
that loud.
It's not that loud.
It's not that
Y'all
loud.
put my shit.
I didn't even know I shot that bitch at first.
Damn, this motherfucker.
Here, you already cocked that bitch back when you were shooting. He pulled that bitch so hard. Camera low on.
Boat action. Choo-choo. Okay.
Ooh, that's cold. That's so cold to me.
Gotta do this shit. Stop playing.
Got the motherfucking Glock and the motherfucking Draco on this bitch.
Like that.
What's gonna do with that bitch? Shoot that bitch.
Damn.
Hey man, ooh, hold up. That's it for the video, man. My camera died and shit, so I couldn't even record like that rest of the day. So this is just like another day type shit. But that's it for the video. Y'all stay tuned for more videos coming. So I'm motivated as hell to post videos and shit now. So y'all stay tuned, subscribe, like the video, and I'm out, man. Peace.